Hi, this is Margie Connolly with the law firm of Margaret McCullough Connolly. I'm here to talk today about trusts. If you have children, this is one reason why you would need a trust. So in short, a trust is a legal document that creates an entity that owns and transfers and manages assets. You create this trust, and in the trust, you remain the trustee and you are in charge of all the assets that you put into the trust. The beauty and the benefit of the trust is that it passes those assets owned by the trust through the trust to others who need the money or the assets at different points in time. So just saving this example for people who have children, if something should happen to you, if you should pass away, or if you should become completely incapacitated and can't take care of your children anymore, the trust can own the assets for the benefit of the children, and the trustee that you have named to manage those assets will take care of the children, will pay for their health, education, maintenance, and support, and can see it all the way through to the end of their graduation or the date of their marriage or to any particular age above the age of 18. The downside to not having a trust, if something happens to you and your assets are left to minor children, there's going to have to be a trust created at that time, or the children will be able to get the assets in their name, full and complete outright ownership at the age of 18, which you may consider to be too young for a young person to have a complete control over all those assets. So with a trust, you can have your trustee manage those assets until your child is 22, 25, 30. There is no specific age where you have to let it be distributed to them. And you can make sure those assets are held and protected for the purposes of getting your children through college, getting them to home ownership, car ownership, and those kind of things. Whereas without a trust, if something happens to you, they may just end up with a lot of assets at the age of 18 and not know themselves how to deal with it properly. So that is the big benefit of the trust, the one of many benefits that I'm talking about today. So think about it if you have children. Talk to an estate planning professional, an attorney, or a financial planner about what the benefits of a trust would be for you and your children. Hopefully, it will never have to come to fruition that you will predecease your children turning to adults, but it's always great to be protected just in case. You cannot control what the future will bring, but you can control what your legacy will be. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay kind, and I will see you next time.